All right, so we've looked at some really basic rules on how to take derivative by taking that exponent and multiplying it by the number in front and subtracting 1 on the exponent and all that kind of stuff. Well, things change just a little bit when you start multiplying because now when you multiply, you got different things going on, okay? And you don't just have plus or minus anymore. You've got all kinds of stuff that could be happening. So we've got a rule for that. And our rule says that if we're going to take the derivative of the entire thing, okay, so we've got some function u times some function v, and if we're going to take the derivative of that, then what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative. We're going to take the first function times the derivative of the second plus the second function times the derivative of the first, or if you look at it this way, we're going to do u times v prime plus v times u prime. Okay, that's not first power, those are primes, meaning derivatives. So kind of how does this work in action? Well, it works this way. If I've got x squared plus 1 here, and I've got x cubed plus 3 here, and I want to take the derivative of f of x, which are these two things multiplied together, then all I need to do is take the first term, so f prime of x, let's get some different colors going, f prime of x is equal to the first guy, x squared plus 1, times the derivative of the second guy, and the derivative of x cubed plus 3 is 3x squared, and then plus the derivative of the first guy, which would be 2x, times just the second guy, x cubed plus 3. Now, don't leave it this way. You're not quite done yet. And if you are taking a quiz or a test and this is where you stop, you've done most of the work. But this is actually a problem we can organize out a little bit better, simplify down, and just make prettier. So go ahead and distribute in this first part here. That's going to give us 3x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus, and then go ahead and distribute on the back end here, 2x to the 4th plus 6x. And so now I can combine some like terms together, like 3x to the 4th and 2x to the 4th, and that's going to be 5x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 6x. And when I get done with that point, that is when I'm done with all of my work, okay? And so you might need to watch this part a couple times. It's totally doable. It's a little bit different. You just have to pay attention. What's multiplying with other stuff? Because that's going to tell us what we take derivative of and when.